Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to be taking you through some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 17 and 18 Ford Super Duty. Here at LeatherSeats.com, we offer a wide variety of custom options for your Ford truck. Both of the seats here are out of a 17 Ford F-250 Crew Cab. The driver's seat features one of our custom interior packages in single-tone bisque with black piping. This is a great combination for the Ford factory medium light camel interior. Our bisque color is a good option for the primary lighter tan color in the truck, and the black piping works well for the darker interior accents. Be sure to check out this specific replacement upholstery package in the description below, which includes the replacement upholstery for both the front and rear seats. If you'd like to build your own interior kit with different options and colors, you can check out our online interior configurator at LeatherSeats.com. Installed here on the passenger seat is one of our special order LeatherSeats Prime interior packages featuring a bespoke insert design CNC stitched with our brand new Quadrata pattern. This package was built in a custom two-tone combination of black and bisque. To highlight the two-tone effect, all of the double stitching and top stitching is done in a bisque thread to contrast against the black, while the Quadrata stitched inserts are done in matching bisque. This LeatherSeats Prime upholstery kit minus the patch is available on our website as a pre-selected package. However, if you'd like yours built in any other colors or options, be sure to give us a call or email us at sales@leatherseats.com.